welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make a sunset on a record. So the things you will need are a record. I mean, it would be preferable to use a used one because I don't know why you would use a new one for just to paint on it. But then you're going to need some paintbrushes and paint, and then something to put your water in to clean your brushes, and something to put your paint on. The paint colors I mostly used were white, red, and yellow. So the first thing I did was take painter's tape and split the record in half. And then I took some white paint and I did about 3 layers onto the half that I was going to paint, so it would be easier to put the sunset colors onto the white background instead of black. So after the layer of white was dry, I went in with a thin layer of water so the colors of the sunset could blend in more easily. And then I went in with red, and then I decided to go in with purple, but that was not a smart idea on my part because it did not look right. And then I decided to mix white with the purple, and then it became really light. So then after this layer that I'm doing right now was dry, I went in and redid it, so I covered up the very light layer on the top of the record. This is how it looked after I did my second layer without the purple, and I went over it so you wouldn't be able to tell that it was there because it did not look right. And I did yellow towards the bottom, and then I kind of did a mixture of red and yellow in the middle, and then I did a darker red on the top. So I fast forwarded a bit to when the sunset was dry, and right above the painter's tape I did a bumpy black line to show the land, and now I'm doing the palm trees. I went for 2 to make it kind of simple, but you can go for as many as you want. After I was done with the palm trees and the horizon, I took the painter's tape off and I started cleaning up the lines because the white paint from earlier kind of bleeded through the painter's tape, and I cleaned up the inside too because I didn't want it to be white. This is how it looked after I was done cleaning it up and it was finished drying. Now I took Mod Podge, but I would recommend getting something more just for paint purposes only. But I took the Mod Podge and I went over the painting so it would give it a glossy finish. As soon as I was done putting the glossy finish on it, I picked it up from the newspaper and started taking the newspaper that was stuck onto the record off. And there is your completed sunset record. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you tried it or it worked out well for you.